Hey guys, it's Rishi here, and I just wanted to very quickly show you a demo of the domain daemon software that you will be getting as a part of the bonus package when you buy the Flipping Profits course. Now, before I show you the full demo of the software, let me show you some proof like why flipping profits, like arbitrage of flipping domains, is so profitable. If you see this following website, they have listed some of the profitable domain names sales for the last few months, like where people are buying domains through Namejet or GoDaddy and they are flipping it for insane ROIs of 350%, 413% at flippa.coms, and these are the domain names that they have done the arbitrage for. So how do we go about finding these domain names quickly instead of doing it manually? And also wanted to let you know that this is the main strategy that is being discussed in the Flipping Profits course, where one of the students of one of Dan's students was able to get an insane ROI. But I will show you how you can automate the entire process of finding domains and flipping them for profit using the domain daemon software. Now, if we go back to that website, you can see that some of the domains that were being sold were health-related domain names or keyboard-related domain names. The whole idea is to actually start with the seed keyword. So, healthmedicine.com, which was like healthmedicine.com, which is one of the domain names which got a 127% ROI, it actually started with the seed keyword health. Or for example, let us say that keyboard would have started with the seed keyword keyboard or keyboards. So just to give you an example, I have inputted the seed keyword in the software. So this is the first step. The next step is to add our word list. So you can add word lists before or after the keyword. So if you're adding some word lists, or you can add appends and suffixes after the keyword, and you can add prepends and prefixes before the keyword. So I have just selected all the four options. You can either select only the prepends and prefixes or the appends or suffixes. It's totally your choice, because the more word list that you add, the more keywords variations that you're going to get. So let me clear the keywords and show you again. So I'm adding the keywords now. So as you can see that the software is very quick. It is already showing a list of 181 keywords. And now this is the first step. Now the second step is we need to find out if there are any .com, .net, .org, info or .mobi extensions are available for our domain names. So you can choose the number of threads or how many search results you want. So let us say we choose 5. You can choose up to 10. And we will check the DNS, and just for the sake of this example and to speed up the process, I will just click the .com and just hit check domains. So as you can see, the software is getting the results for the .com extension. Now the beauty of this software is that you can do all the checks for the domain availability without leaving the software, and in a second I will show you how. So once the software collects the results, it will show that the results have been, the domain names have been checked. So far it has showing 36 results. Now what the software is also doing is it is also searching the DNS records for all the domain names. For example, there are a lot of domain names where the site is registered but the hosting of the company or the individual is expired. So as you can see that the software has checked the domains and the results are 46. Now what we have to do is we have to check whether or not these domain names are available. So you have to just copy these domain names and paste it here. and click check. So the software, so we can see from the software that the keyword mobile.com is available for our purchase. And this looks like a very good keyword. Maybe, you know, if we are having some mobiles which uses keyboards, I don't know, I'm just guessing, like, you know, you could have something like that in the future, or, you know, you could have, you never know. Like, the thing is that you can come up with unique domain names when you match all the prepends, appends, prefixes, suffixes, and I mean keywords that you can never even you would have never even thought of in the first place. And you can even load them from the file, load from the clipboard, etc. And I mean load your own word lists and make more combinations. So now let me check if the now, as I told you, that we can directly go and do from the software dashboard itself. We can check if the domain name is available with a registrar. So all you have to do is click the link available. It is available for purchase. So this is how easy, guys, it is used to for domain, how easy it is to use the domain daemon software. And the software basically automates the process that is discussed in the Flipping Profits course. Now this software has never been released in the market before, and if it is released, it will be with it will surely be with a value of $37 or more. But we are offering this full version of this software when you buy the front end of the Flipping Profits course. But as I mentioned that these licenses are very limited, and we have already sold the first 4 licenses of the domain daemon software, and only 6 more licenses are remaining. But since there were some issues in the audio, I recorded it so that you can see the software in action.